If you know you're a Nigerian and you love pepper soup, then come, I have something very special to show you. On today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make noodles, that's Indomie as we all know it in Nigeria, and also using beef pepper soup. So welcome, this is Boldesty kitchen and my name is Sharon. Now let's begin by introducing all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have the beef, I have grounded pepper, I have minced garlic, cloves, salt and ginger. So this is the seasoning I'm going to use to cook the beef. The beef has been washed, so I just want to season it and then make sure I cook it very well to be tasty. I'm just going to rinse all the ingredients inside and cover it and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes or until it's fully done. And then that combination there is scent leaf, fresh pepper and like 3 to 4 cloves. So I'm just going to pound it roughly, and then I came to check the meat is now ready. I'm just going to transfer it to a plate and I'm going to shred it or cut it into bite size. For this recipe, that's how it goes, because when you make the Indomie pepper soup, you want to use your spoon to scoop the meat and just chew it without having to cut it or bite it again. So I'm just going to cut it into bite sizes, as you can see in the video. After that, we're going to sieve out the water that we use to cook the meat, and then we're going to go ahead with the cooking process. So for this particular recipe, I'm using Indomie, that's Indomitable. It's just a brand, but it's actually, the general name is noodles, but we Nigerians, everyone in Nigeria knows it as Indomie. If you go to the shops now and you want to buy noodles, if you tell them noodles, most of the sellers might not understand until you say I won't buy Indomie, and they will say now Indomie they call noodles like this, because that's what we're used to. That's how we've been calling it for years now. So for this recipe, since the meat has been seasoned properly and I'm using the meat stock, I don't have to use the noodles seasoning again. So that's the crushed clove, fresh pepper, we call it fresh pepper, but it's actually scotch bonnet, and then 2 to 3 leaves, scent leaf. You can also use basil or mint leaf if you're not in Nigeria, if you don't have access to Nigerian leaves. And that's when I put the brown stuff I put is the pepper soup spice. That's the main ingredient for this pepper soup recipe. So now the meat has been cooked, and then I'm trying to cook the noodles now. I just put it into the meat stock and season it. I don't have to add extra salt or maggi or anything because the meat has been properly seasoned and I'm using the meat stock. So now I'm just going to allow it to cook very well until it's fully done. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for like maybe 1 minute more. Remember, we're not allowing it to dry up because it's pepper soup anyway. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And now it's ready. The Indomie is ready. Super healthy, super delicious, and it's quite spicy. I don't know how come it turned out spicy, because I used that amount of scotch bonnet. I should have used one, but it's very spicy. So if you don't want yours to be too spicy, don't add a lot of pepper please, so that you can enjoy it very well. Here we have it, beef noodles pepper soup, beef pepper soup noodles, anyhow you want to call it, Indomie pepper soup noodles with beef, anyhow you want to call it. And you can as well use catfish, chicken, turkey for this recipe. Even goat meat will do the work for this recipe. It came out so healthy, so delicious, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment and like my video, and also check out my other videos. I share Nigerian food, African recipe, Nigerian soup, how to make different kind of Nigerian. This is water leaf, I have the recipe. This is carrot juice for glowing skin, I have the recipe on my channel. This is fried yam and pepper sauce, I have the recipe on my channel. This is green drink for burning fat, I have it. I have a lot of African recipes, Nigerian recipes, because that's what we do. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one.